intensely.
Ayan o. Oo, sa ilalim.
Di ba pwede pa
More than
Welcome back to Nature Part 2. Enjoy!
Here we have Laguna Lake.
There's Elijah.
Sea snake! Sea snake! I think. I'm not sure.
We have two snakes. Yes. Tingin ka dito, Lydia.
Sea snake. Okay na.
Here we have
Tika-tika yan.
farmers harvesting for the season. Yay! Thank you, farmers, for the rice. Hi, Elijah.
Hi.
What do you think of the ampalaya?
It's big. Worms. It's rough. What else?
Are you gonna eat it later?
Hi, Elijah. Is that all?
Do you like ampalayas?
No, I don't like papayas that much.
But you're gonna eat it.
Yes.
Oh,
Tricycle lang.
Ah, this is your yes. An earthquake.
Dito tayo
Ate, ayaw na matanggal.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi guys! We're going home now from Laguna. We hope you enjoyed the video that we made. So, here. You. Oh. Oh, laughing at your brother. Hey, you're the host.
Someday we'll make part 3.
Yes, we'll definitely make part 3
Stay
someday.
tuned.
Stay tuned. We're gonna say bye